Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a fun little unboxing. I already unboxed it. It just came in nicely with some foam in a box. But anyway, it is a new laminator. This is from QFUN on Amazon. And this particular one that they sent me is a 13-inch laminator. Like, how nice is that? I have it on right now. This is all like touch button. So basically you turn it on or off, and cold is red, which is kind of like opposite. You think they would have used a blue light, but anyway, it's red. And then there's 3mm and 5mm. So there's cold. You can see, I hope it's showing up on camera. It's red. I don't know if you can see that. So anyway, I'm just gonna do a 3, and it'll be blinking until it's ready. It'll turn solid green. And then that's when you know you can feed your laminating sheet and your project through there. So you can kind of hear it humming. And then it opens up kind of like a printer. It has like a fancy little lid. It comes with a paper trimmer and cutter right here. It comes with an extra little blade right here. It comes with a hole punch. Like, look how stinking cute this stuff is. And it's all got like little compartments to house it. And it has a corner punch to give that rounded look. It also comes with some 3-ring binders. It has a spot, like, they thought of all the things. And then, you know, your little paper punch, this little square goes face down, and it all closes back up. It is ready to roll, and I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial. Cynthia, who's Disco Dolly, she has a tutorial on napkins, and it is just the cutest thing. I'm gonna show you guys because, well, a new laminator and not a lot of people like know how to do it. So all of those cute napkins from Marshall's, Dollar Tree, or yeah, sometimes Dollar Tree, but Home Goods. Like, this one was a gingerbread house that I could not resist. This one, Michelle just gifted to me, peppermint pine, and it's a cute little gingy. So like this. And the napkins, they come in multiple layers that are printed. I got lucky with these gingerbread ones because the way the design is, it's perfect. Look, he's already, if you want to sew, because I'm going to sew it and make a pocket, and I'll show you guys, he's already in the perfect position. Otherwise, you would have to cut it and, you know, do 2 separate sheets. The machine also comes with laminating sheets. It comes with 4 different sizes. This like 5x7, this one, the 8.5 by 11, and then you guys, because this is a 13-inch laminator, it will laminate 12x12s. So it comes with these massive, look at this, it's huge, laminating sheets for your 12x12s. So I'm just gonna use the regular one real quick. I'm just gonna find where your laminating sheet opens up, mouth open, and the napkin, I am just going to, like I said, lay it down. I like to push my stub right up to the crease of the laminating sheet. So kind of just lay your design out, make sure there's no major wrinkles and crinkles. So make sure the closed end goes in first, and just literally feed it in. This one is sucking the laminating sheet in faster than I just have a cheapy laminator, and this one's way faster than that one. So look how fun. I know there's probably a glare now because it's basically turning it into acetate. So cute. So now you have your like normal hard stiff laminating pouch. And I am going to show you guys. I'm just going to fussy cut around this, and don't get too close to the edge of, you know, where it seals, because basically it's just sealed everything around this napkin. And like Cynthia said, you can always just rerun this through once you cut it to make sure that all the edges are still sealed and you didn't accidentally cut it. Okay, so now that this little napkin is sealed, again, you can run it through again to heat it up. You're going to score down the center because you're going to just basically make this a pouch, a bag to stick stuff in. Fold it over. Line him up before you press it down. So here's your little pouch. You can even just like do eyelets and be able to stick stuff in here, like nail files, anything like that, because of the shape of this actual thing. I'm just going to stitch this with my sewing machine real quick. So now that I trimmed off all the strings I just left the front piece open, and you have your little pocket. You can stick candies. This is a very narrow napkin that I used for an example, but it was perfect because you would just have to stitch it. But look how cute. You've just turned a napkin, cute little napkins, almost into like a paper project, just with a laminator. It is so, so cool. I love it. I mean, you can even make little pouches like this for goodie tables or crops and stuff. Hold your scissors, scissor holder. So very cute. And for something like this, like I said, the house is obviously in an upright position. Let's show you guys. They sealed it, you know, at the top. So if you were to stitch this, your opening would be right here. So you can't do that. So basically you just got to cut this in half, laminate both sheets, then you're just going to stitch the 3 sides, 1, 2, and then up. And then you'll have the whole opening right here, which I put a hot cocoa little mix in the napkin when I did this one. So yeah, that is very awesome. I'm loving this new laminator. I love that it is so big. It definitely opens up a range of more projects since it's such a bigger opening than the other ones. So yeah, I will leave a link down below and that'll take you to 2 different sizes, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.